y'all, dang, I freaking forgot to throw this freaking box away. Anyway, I'm actually on my way to go get my hair done, or silk press, trim, cut, treated, all that stuff like that. I'll be doing a really detailed video on everything regarding my natural hair, how I straighten it, take care of it, what I've been using, so on and so forth. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I'm just going to show you like clips of what happens during this little process. Nothing too intricate, but yeah, let's go. Alright babes, so I'm here. You guys will meet my stylist in like just a little bit. I'm not about to play with you. When they think it's a picture and it's a whole video.
It is.
Yeah. Okay guys, so this is my stylist. Well, actually the only person that I let touch my hair, to be honest. Every time I screw it up, this is who I come to.
Yeah.
So he's at Salon, what, Moray? Is that what it's called?
Salon Moray.
Oh my god. I'll leave all of his like contact information in the description box and all that jazz. So just, yeah, we'll see. Okay, eyebrow, I see you. How long you gonna stay on today?
I ain't gonna get rid of your eyebrows today.
Yeah, thank you.
Ain't in the kitchen sink no more.
Oh yeah, that's so true. Dang, literally started from nowhere to somewhere. So as y'all can see, I have like plenty of heat damage. This is not the wave, but my hair feels really soft. So we'll see what happens from here.